The world of cars is changing. We are on the brink of a new era, one where artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming how we drive and how cars are made. Imagine a future where cars can understand their surroundings, make decisions to avoid accidents, and even learn from their experiences on the road. This future is closer than you might think. Leading the charge in this revolution are two giants: Nvidia, a leader in AI technology, and General Motors, or GM, a legendary car manufacturer. Nvidia and GM are joining forces to bring the power of AI to our vehicles and factories. Their partnership is a potent combination of Nvidia's cutting-edge AI technology and GM's expertise in building and designing cars. This collaboration promises to make driving safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable for everyone. This new era of driving is not just about making cars smarter, it's about revolutionizing the entire car manufacturing process. Factories are also getting a high-tech makeover thanks to AI. Imagine factories where robots and humans work side by side, guided by intelligent systems that can predict and prevent problems before they even occur. This is the power of AI in manufacturing. The partnership between Nvidia and GM is set to redefine the automotive industry. Get ready to witness a future where cars are not just machines but intelligent partners on the road, built in factories that are just as smart. At the heart of this revolution is Nvidia's Drive AGX Orin, a powerful AI computer designed specifically for cars. Think of it as the brain of a self-driving car, capable of processing massive amounts of data from sensors like cameras and radars. This allows the car to see its surroundings, understand what's happening, and make decisions in real time, much faster than any human driver could. The Drive AGX. Orin is no ordinary computer. It is built with the future of driving in mind. Its powerful processors can handle the complex calculations needed for autonomous driving, making it possible for cars to navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles, and even predict potential hazards. But the Drive AGX. Orin is not just about self-driving cars, it's also designed to make today's cars safer and more convenient. It powers advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, that can assist drivers with tasks like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features make driving less stressful and help prevent accidents, making our roads safer for everyone. In essence, the Drive AGX Orin is like having a co-pilot in your car, always alert and ready to assist. It's a testament to the power of AI to not only transform driving but also to enhance it, making it safer and more enjoyable for everyone. Imagine a car that can see everything around it, even in the dark or in bad weather. That's what AI is making possible. By processing data from cameras, radars, and other sensors, AI can give cars a 360-degree view of their surroundings, helping them detect and avoid potential hazards. But AI's role in safety goes beyond just seeing. It's about understanding. AI systems can be trained to recognize different objects on the road, like pedestrians, cyclists, and other cars. They can even understand their movements and predict what they're going to do next. This allows the car to make informed decisions, like slowing down if a pedestrian is about to cross the road or changing lanes if a car in the next lane is drifting over the line. AI-powered driver assistance features will make driving less stressful and more comfortable. Imagine getting stuck in traffic on the highway. With AI-powered adaptive cruise control, your car can automatically adjust its speed to maintain a safe distance from the car in front of you, even coming to a complete stop if necessary. This takes the stress out of stop-and-go traffic, allowing you to relax and let the car do the work. The revolution isn't just happening on the road, it's also transforming how cars are made. Nvidia's Omniverse platform is bringing the power of AI to the factory floor, creating a digital revolution in car manufacturing. This is where the concept of digital twins comes into play. Imagine creating a virtual replica of an entire factory, complete with every machine, robot, and process. This is what a digital twin is. It's like a mirror world where engineers can design, test, and optimize every aspect of car production before a single real-world part is even touched. GM will use Nvidia's Omniverse platform to create these digital twins of its factories. This means engineers can run simulations, test different scenarios, and identify potential problems before they occur in the real world. This reduces production downtime, improves efficiency, and ultimately leads to better cars. But the benefits of digital twins go beyond just efficiency. They also enable greater collaboration. Teams from different parts of the world can work together on the same virtual factory, sharing ideas and solving problems in real time. Section 5. The road ahead. AI's future in cars and manufacturing. The partnership between Nvidia and GM is just a glimpse into the transformative potential of AI in the automotive industry. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting developments in both cars and factories in the years to come. Imagine a future where cars can communicate with each other, sharing information about road conditions, traffic flow, and potential hazards. This vehicle-to-vehicle communication could prevent accidents, reduce congestion, and make our roads significantly safer. Inside the car, AI will continue to enhance the driving experience. AI-powered voice assistants will become more sophisticated, understanding natural language, and anticipating our needs. They could even learn our preferences and personalize the driving experience to our liking, from adjusting the seat position to playing our favorite music. Factories of the future will be highly automated and intelligent, with robots and humans working together in harmony. AI systems will monitor every aspect of the production process, optimizing efficiency and ensuring quality. Predictive maintenance will become commonplace, with AI algorithms anticipating equipment failures before they happen, and scheduling maintenance proactively, minimizing downtime and keeping the production lines running smoothly. Section 6. A timeline for innovation. When can we expect these changes? While some of these advancements may seem like science fiction, many are closer than we think. The timeline for these innovations varies, but we can expect to see significant changes within the next decade. In the near term, expect to see more widespread adoption of advanced driver assistance systems powered by AI. Features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking will become standard in most new cars, making driving safer and less stressful for everyone. Within the next 5 to 10 years, we can expect to see the first commercially available self-driving cars. These cars will initially be limited to specific areas with well-mapped roads and favorable weather conditions. As the technology matures and regulations evolve, we can expect to see self-driving cars become more commonplace in the coming decades. In factories, the adoption of AI and digital twin technology is already underway. We can expect to see a rapid increase in the use of these technologies in the coming years, leading to more efficient, flexible, and responsive manufacturing processes. Section 7. The impact on everyone: how AI in cars affects us all. The rise of AI in the automotive industry will have far-reaching implications for various stakeholders, from tech professionals and investors to factory workers and everyday drivers. For tech professionals, the automotive industry is becoming a hotbed of innovation. The demand for engineers with expertise in AI, machine learning, and robotics is skyrocketing. This presents exciting career opportunities for those with the skills and passion to shape the future of transportation. Investors are also taking note of the transformative potential of AI in the automotive industry. Companies at the forefront of AI innovation like Nvidia and GM are attracting significant investment capital. This influx of investment is fueling further innovation and accelerating the development of new technologies. For factory workers, the rise of AI and automation will bring about a shift in the types of skills that are in demand. While some jobs may be displaced, many new opportunities will emerge in areas such as robot maintenance, data analysis, and AI system management. It is crucial for workers to adapt to these changing demands by acquiring new skills and embracing lifelong learning. Finally, for everyday drivers, AI promises to make driving safer, more convenient, and more enjoyable. With AI-powered safety features, cars will be able to avoid accidents and protect passengers more effectively. Advanced driver assistance systems will take over tedious driving tasks, allowing us to relax and enjoy the ride. Section 8. Conclusion. Buckle up for the future of driving. The partnership between Nvidia and GM is a testament to the power of AI to revolutionize the automotive industry. As we look to the future, it is clear that AI will play an increasingly important role in how we design, manufacture, and drive cars. This transformation will bring about significant changes for everyone, from tech professionals and investors to factory workers and everyday drivers. It is an exciting time to be a part of the automotive industry, and the road ahead is paved with innovation. Buckle up and get ready for the ride.